Hi, welcome to Pfenning's Farms. I'm Kara.
And I'm Rachel.
And today we'll be showing you how to make fruit salad from our fruit box. So what you'll need for this is fruit box by Bouncy by the Box, which comes with an assortment of fruit each week. You will need a bowl. You will need honey from Nith Apiaries and cinnamon. So let's get started with some prep of the vegetables and fruit.
So what we'll be needing is apples, pineapple, mangoes, oranges, and a lemon. So first we're going to want to cut our apples. You're going to want to chop it into about bite-sized pieces.
Alright, so now we're going to cut up an orange for a fruit salad. The easiest way to cut an orange and prep it for fruit salad is cut it into quarters. Take it from each side and slowly take it away from the peel. This makes it easier to peel, and then it's already half cut. Alright, so now we're going to move on to the mango. This one can be tricky. So you're going to make sure not to get your fingers in the way of the blade. And you're going to go alongside of the core and cut these. Now these are a tofu mangoes or honey mangoes, so they're super sweet. And you're just going to try and find where the pit ends to kind of cut around it. Just be patient. It'll be worth it. And yeah, just slowly cut around the middle. Okay. So now what you're going to do is gently score the fruit, getting it in a pattern like this, and then just take a spoon and scoop out the mango, and it's in perfect bite-sized pieces. So another way I like to cut my mangoes, because I have very poor knife skills, is before even scoring it, I just take a spoon and scoop it out. This mango is pretty ripe, so it's not working as well. I mean pretty unripe. So you just scoop it out, kind of like an avocado, and then chop it like that, and you get so much mango out of the peel. Okay. We will be mixing this up with dressing later, so don't even like worry about what goes in first. You want it all kind of mixed up. So now we're going to set that off to the side. Pineapple time. So now we're going to chop the pineapple. So first what you're going to do is you're going to want to cut off the top. Put that to the side. Then you're going to want to cut off the bottom on an angle. And now we're going to take the prickly skin off, because we can't eat that. So you're going to start by going in and just working your way around the outside of the pineapple, cutting that off. And if you like took too much off, just like, you know, get your knife in there and now we're going to cut around the core in the center to get the fruit. So oh, this is really nice pineapple. Alright, so then what you're left with is the core in the center, which is the tough part. And now you're just going to dice, cutting into large chunks, and you're going to throw this in your bowl. So lemon prevents all the fruit from going brown. Just getting all the juices in there.
So now to go on top of the fruit salad, I'm going to be adding some honey, some cinnamon, and just a pinch of salt.
Bounty by the Box is our way of connecting you directly with our farms, offering you a selection of fresh organic produce straight to your table. Each week we curate 4 different produce box options to suit your needs. With this fruit salad, we wanted to showcase the possibilities of the fruit box, which is a different variety of fresh organic fruit each week. Our other 3 options include the compact box for small households, the munchkin box for families with little children, and the bountiful box, which gives a large family more than enough produce for a week. Our Bounty by the Box program provides you with one-stop shop for healthy, local, fresh produce. You just choose a box to suit your produce needs, order, and pick it up, ready to go from our farm down the road in New Hamburg. It's that easy. If that sounds awesome to you, then click the link in our description to learn more.
How is it?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10? Excellent.
10 out of 10.
All right, Lauren, how is it?
It's so good. Tastes like apple cider.
How is it?
Very good.
Very good?